Very good afternoon, sir. Very good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon.
So I hope you have enjoyed the complete service of Maxwell, which we have given for your export movement from Chennai to US. And myself as Parthiban coming from Maxwell. I'm assistant branch manager taking care of Chennai relocation. So we would like to get your feedback on our service, how we have done your export packing of your household personal belongings and how our team have behaved. So can we have some words from your end, sir?
Certainly. From the word go, I've been extremely pleased with you, Mr. Parthiban.
Thank you, sir.
You came promptly, you evaluated everything, and then you gave feedback to your company where you're located in Telangana, Hyderabad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, and then Aruna contacted me quickly with a quotation.
Okay.
So from the word go, I've been very impressed with it.
Okay.
Yeah, your service has been lightning speed, I would say.
Thank you, ma'am.
And very, very, very efficient.
Thank you.
We, my husband and I, are extremely pleased with Maxwell Relocations and the entire team, Mr.
Okay.
Parthiban,
Yes, ma'am.
because you're being a front man. And yeah, we're absolutely happy, very, very happy. The team who came to pack this morning, they've been extremely nice and very professional.
Okay.
They packed with utmost care and to sum it up, we are very, very pleased.
So, did our team have used enough of packing material for your goods, sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
Adequate,
Adequate
or more
packing.
than adequate.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
yes.
did you feel anything like this material is not used for this, or this item is got packed with this less material kind of thing, like mindset you have?
No, we didn't have that thought at all.
Okay.
Because everything was done meticulously and very, very efficiently.
So, okay, how was our team has performed with the behavior wise and how the packing wise style, everything is in the standard wise, they have maintained it?
Yes. Yes,
Mr.
everything.
Misha was excellent. He had
Okay.
a good control,
Okay.
command over his crew.
Okay.
The crew was quiet, so they did their job properly.
Okay.
And definitely Misha was a good leader.
Okay. So how was the timely the team has reported and how was the timely they have completed the activity, documentation wise, everything, sir?
They were here promptly. In fact, they came a few minutes before time, I think. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
They came about 10-15 minutes
Okay.
ahead of time.
Okay.
And they finished it as promised, even in lesser time.
And the documentation partner?
Document. Krishnan.
Yeah, they did a great job. The inventory and documentation, the way they did it,
Okay.
because you had supplied them with the inventory list.
Yes, sir.
So they looked at it and meticulously packed and immediately ticked it off.
Okay.
And,
So
nobody wasted any time.
Okay. So the overall you have enjoyed our packing team services which was happened from today, and so how the rating you can give for our team, like out of 5?
5 being the highest.
Yes.
We're going to give you a 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If there was more than 5, I would.
We would have given it
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Most welcome.
So thanks for your wonderful feedback and thank you for that, ma'am. Thank you for
You're most welcome.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.